So guys, since we had a flood here in our town, our very generous school, Mooroopna Park Primary School, and our neighbor took this one and gave this to us. So we have a big box of like grocery items. So we have here pads, milk, got some wipes as well. We have rice, two bag of bread. That's a lot. Toothpaste, bar soap, juice for kids. And we also have this laundry. Oh, there's some chips, happy snaps, sweet potato flavor. We have as well fruits and one onion, carrots, toilet paper. Because I got toilet paper here and some snacks. Oh, this is pretty. This is yum. So we have a lot of fruits, a bottle of water as well, because we had no access to water if there's flood everywhere, just in case, but we managed to have some here. Deodorant as well, another toothpaste and milk, noodles here, more fruits. We also have cookies. Yum! Cookies. Oh, spaghetti and cereal. So thank you a lot, Mooroopna Park Primary School and GV Cares. So this is actually also from GV Cares. Yeah. So thanks guys, and thank you to our neighbor Holly for sending this and dropping this off. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Such a very nice community to live up here, and this is all free from the community support drop off from school. So that's all for today guys. Hope everyone is safe during the flood. See you guys. Bye.